Welcome to Making Memories by JACI Jackie. Welcome. I'm so happy to have you with me. And today we're going to continue with DIY Valentines on a budget. Elegant, easy, simple to make, in less than 10 minutes, less than $3. So join me as we start with the first DIY Valentine project. If you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment. Alrighty, now join me for the first DIY on a budget Valentine. The first project, the only 3 items you will need from the Dollar Tree is 1 8x10 frame and a beautiful Valentine gift bag. Any particular style. It doesn't really matter what style, as long as it's a Valentine style that you like and you think that your special someone would enjoy. So the first thing that we're going to do, just follow along. I'm simply tracing this 8x10 size to the bag. Now that I've finished that, okay, it's 8x10, I'm going to take the bag and cut out the 8x10 size. This bag is really beautiful. Each item was just $1. Unbeatable. And you see, it's not taking me a lot of time. So, this is the square that I cut out from the bag. I'm going to move the bag. Here is the frame, acrylic frame that I used, and I'm just taking and putting this piece inside the frame. Don't that look gorgeous? Valentine, kiss, love, be mine, hugs and kisses. Alrighty. The next thing, the other dollar piece has a little clip. You turn it over. I'm just going to remove this piece. Now that it's removed, move that piece of paper. Then with my hot glue gun, I'm going to hot glue around the square. Be careful that you don't burn yourself. The reason I said that, because often I do that. Then you turn it over. Remember, this will stand up. And we simply going to take and put this right in the center. Press it. And here you have it. For $2, a beautiful piece that sits up. You can see that. And you can put a little note. Or here I have a bunch of little magnets. So, but you can put whatever you think would be nice. You could also put a picture, or you can also, if you want to, just put a red piece of paper. And I'm just going to give you an idea. So, for a DIY on a budget, for simply $2, I believe your special someone would simply love this. Remember, it's the thought that counts. All right? So, that's the first for $2. And they still have these items at the Dollar Tree. So, hurry. The next one, simply at the Dollar Tree, they have a lot of beautiful Valentine cards. And I thought this one was really beautiful. It says, "Hi, I'm the Valentine hamster." And then inside it says, "Don't laugh. This is the way the Easter Bunny got started. Have a happy Valentine's Day." Isn't that adorable? Oh, I simply love that. So what we're going to do with this one is going to take, I love the words to this. So I'm just going to take and cut it in half. Then I purchase another Dollar Tree bag. So I want to take and frame this to the bag. Can either put it that way. I don't know if you can see it. I want you to see the cute little hamster. I thought that was so adorable. And then also, I love the words on that. So, what I'm going to do is to take some glue quickly. Just a glue stick. And this would be beautiful for your special loved one, your daughter, whoever, cousin, friend. And this is using the gift bag to display your Valentine card. And so, when you open the bag, it has your special Valentine's message right on the bag. They don't have to worry about opening the card. Once you give them the bag, they will see the beautiful words. Now, isn't that a beautiful gift? And as a matter of fact, you can take the gift that we made and put it inside. So the card was only 50 cents, the bag $1, and this right here $1 and $1, $2, $3. So for $4.50, you cannot beat that beautiful Valentine's gift. Something very nice looking and something on a budget. If you enjoyed this DIY, join me again. Have a very nice Valentine's Day. And remember, it's the thought of love that counts. Have a happy Valentine's Day from Making Memories JACI. Don't forget to subscribe.